How to withdraw money from Binance to international bank account. So if you want to withdraw money from Binance to international bank account, after you open up now your Binance app like this, now go ahead and tap on this more. So it will open these services for you. Now scroll to down and tap on this withdraw fiat. After you tap on withdraw fiat, now it will give you an option. So from this option now, here it says select withdrawal method. So here it says withdraw. So now tap on this option now and select USD. So now go ahead and search for USD. After you select USD or GBP from this option now, just now scroll to down. So for me, I'll just go with this one. So it will give you this option here. It says select the receipt payment. So it will give you bank like this now. Now if you tap on this continue button, from there it will allow you to type in the bank details. After you tap in the bank details, it will ask you to specify the amount you want to withdraw. From there you can confirm your verification code and tap on withdrawal button. From there the money will be sent into your international bank account. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.